Hello guys, welcome to Ghana Today TV, and once again I'm Nana Kofi. I'm here to bring you another trending story on social media. Inti efia show as nega ne Monaguchi sense me ya cheso fa so okudi kantanka isafo kantanka on any family members atem no. She is catching a lot of heat and kofo dinner temper ebimo e ka say she must apologize to the kantanka family. No, and efia show as nega dropping new video say or no, or apologize to anybody. Because Monaguchi, a friend Miss Bello, bet now Kantanka TV, obedi D or no, if Yashua nigga, or any family, and any papa them, Obianka wasem into your so she won't apologize to anybody. I'll be bringing you the video, but please do subscribe to Ghana Today TV and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I really think she should apologize. But let me know what you think. Here is Efia.
August, Miti Kumase, Anna, Obika Chere me say. Menko na me ko Kantanka TV. Me ko so TV no. Na girl be see a friend no Mona Gucci at TV no so a interview Miss Bill on the television station. On TV so na sa the phone your friend Miss Bill no. E kwat na o se mi ko Kumase e ko di kraman e na me je $5,000. Em fanton chen. O wie ye no and was next week. Mede asumesi ebeba beka ho amna kebi. And then next week the TV station invited Tornado to come and sit on the TV station to insult my father. During Tornado's interview, no, Oma Apostle Kodosafo shoutouts, Oma Neba Kodosafo Jr. shoutouts. Emma MCR, more winning TV mo. MCR, ya more dying more. Omo control machine no. MCR for no so retreat back. Seko Joseph Junior. Ese wo chia Tornado. Emma no kwa wo man sika wo ho. Ono free ho no. No se me dia krapin polo beba. Na krapin polo so. Aba be ka bia ka ho. Eno dia krapin polo ba nti we kwa. Ese omo bo baton with TV no so. We kwa no hand battle na ma we. Na tie. Yes panyin a otena seman kwalare na nka no. Ye ka na nka refo a oka ho. Asemi si ya na me fa fun. Na me frɛ nana ya before you say honor your father and mother no. Honor your father one can say go and honor somebody's father. So when you sit down for somebody to disrespect my father, I can also disrespect your father. And you don't come and sit here and preach honor your father. Assembly started August, I picked a phone. I called Nanaya Ruby's GH. Send me Pekojosafu Kantanka number. Or see one to me for me. And to the catcher and the catcher boss say. Ensio kwa kwota wo bia nu ba ye na ye jai na ya tifufu media ubedi di matema emfa me ho because me enam de me ho aba na mo ye me na emu ye wa adwene se me se ko eje 84 years ubedi na tem wo ye wa adwene se me ma me ye cha 76 years ubedi na tem wo ye wa adwene se James and John omo ti o mebi o mebo udin wo wedi wo matem ne kura ha wa mu ho na aso de beba makoma no so ade e pena so de ani obedi bi me ka kire sister no se ka kire wo mo se enta su kokko wo bi anu ba ye jaiti fufu enye ba ko enye mienu August, September, October, November me fa fun na me frɛ Mona na me ka kire Mona say dear mo yi asam no afiri me so e de come papa ni na busua so ene me ma so monye careful because someone better TV so discussing me no they are not my size, they are not my size enti monye careful. And I'm almost the winning podium, won't forget it. Mona Moon. What shall I say if you are in slow? I am living on. I have lived life. If I die today, I have been here. Me baby as a chili ama chili or you can put 10 boom grown chili sir. Again, I mean here, I went to you, cast na mento if you na minto to be be a was in penny be a my yebi, cotia na mindi, medi cotia would. As you can see, medi bruni cotton and hour, medi bibini cotte. Just say, dear be on your say. But I told them, Mimi mother, sit down and do calculation. Nebusa said, why let any baby? Why mama can if Yashua was nigger cocan. Me make one some more. Mimi make a but say, well, move home. Now the cross it, now the bar. Nancy come in that day. Kwadosa Kantanka Jr. I'm a warm platform. Nobody see her. Now me papa 84 years. Yes, super no near grown home, near grown me mammy home. Motivates mobits not TV. So, some me papa 84 years no, or your junkie. Now me first station now, station boss and I say, only me a fiashwas nigga, and cassa, and think coming again. Atem did any formula. Atem did any formula. Mamma, some woman in Amon Kaya Samiamity way. Many, I tell Kodosa Kantanka Jr. So for me to pick a phone and say I want to talk to Kodosa Kantanka Jr., it means I have given them the first respect. Then you come back to tell me, sir, you don't want to talk to me, but you will let somebody sit on your platform and ridicule my father. And there will be no commercial break. Will be no adverts. More timmy for partner, no more adverts. Now tell me, dear, I just want to find out. More timmy for partner. Maybe I'm papa you hear you. Me papa you hear you pusa. And until then you mean shrame. Say the man shrame papa ye. E papa ye hear me. Until then you mean shrame. Said the measure me papa ye. More Mujana go and apologize. Have they apologized to my parents? TV station, no. Have they apologized to my parents? Have they? Abo madam. Eye dam and a Ghana for bitim. Eye nyansa ye binimu ntimi nsua. Ha! Media me papa di oyen to mago woni so. Ba me mani so no. Oye Versace. Said your muhu obi say oye Prado no. Messi kwaje oye Versace. What's not TV so say me papa 84 years. O my obi betan say me papa ye junkie. Na otigeto. Na my phone. Na my first station ho. Na maka say Kwaja say he can't talk to you. Sir. Kwaja say he can't talk to me. But Kwaja can give somebody platform to come and insult my father. And you on your two friend me. Say Nansu wa baby obia wa Nansu. Meme mother, I will not apologize to any Tom, Dick, and Harry. If anybody wants an apology from me, they should apologize to my innocent father. And apologize to my mother. Me papa on Tigeto. Me papa on the Rasta man. Me papa on my father was a chartered accountant. On Go police station that. My father worked in a government institution. Me papa yem fani kojina baby. My father has never been cited in any corruption issue. So my father, Augustine J, can be anything, but he's not a thief. He's a very respected, honorable man. Who call me Kroma? Me papa ba and Krofokuto. Said your muhu obi so ye nyame no. Me papa wo ye nipa bebre na nkopon. Don't insult my father and think that what dear would is sharing him. Don't.